Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to export your contact list on Android. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. Look at the bottom navigation bar or the slide-out menu layout and tap directly on the section labeled Fix and Manage or Organize. Scroll down and tap explicitly on the option labeled Export to File. If you have multiple Google accounts logged into the system architecture, select the specific account containing the address book profile you wish to back up, or select all accounts. Tap directly on the button labeled Export at the bottom. The operating system framework will instantly load your local file manager dashboard interface, allowing you to choose a target storage directory, such as your Downloads folder or your Google Drive cloud space. Look at the bottom File Configuration row, edit the name of your backup file if you wish, and tap the Save button to authorize the compilation process. And that's it! I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.